Hey everybody, Rob from Instone here, and we're super excited at Instone for this big giveaway. We are giving away the IQ 16-inch dustless saw. Man, doesn't that look cool? I love tools, and I bet you do too. So how do you get in this giveaway? Simply install Be.on Stone on your next project. And we made entering the contest super easy. Simply take your phone, scan the QR code on the pallet. That'll take you to instoneco.com, where all you do is enter your details, submit some photos of the completed job, and boom, you're in the contest. We'll even give you a hat for your first submission. As a reminder, Be.on Stone is the industry-leading mechanically fastened stone. Not only does it look great, but man, it installs super easy because of the patented D-range system. Not only does it make the installation very easy, but it keeps the home free from moisture, keeping it nice and dry. It even carries a 50-year warranty. So if you want one of these awesome IQ saws, just like I do, then all you gotta do is install some Be.on Stone on your next project and get those submissions in today.